ಇಂದು Friday, July 26, 2024. States have unlimited right to tax mineral-rich plants. SSC says that as heavy rain batters Maharashtra IT portal July 31 deadline likely to say. Alias inflation, unemployment, maintain dignity of house, save Idlam after row over MP's speech, look Sabha adjourn voice over verbal war between Punjab leaders. Stormy monsoon session ends a day ahead of schedule amid upon Dharna. We will release list of MUDA seats allotted by BJP government DKS. I have no blot in 40 years political career. CM bill to provide quota for SCS, STS, OBCS in outsourced jobs in government debts adopted. Sports news. Bangladesh determined to stop the Indian government. Graham B. first challenged the owner house task of choosing between pant and salmon. Is the Maharashtra Special Public Security Bill draconian? Two arrested for supporting quota Kakras police. Getting DNA report a tall order for widow of man killed in Russian war. Sports news. Archers overcome public start enter the last eight. The radical transformation of the game's villages over a century. Newspaper is over.